Welcome back to my channel, guys. So in this video we're gonna see about how to install plugins and themes on the WordPress which we installed on the local software. And before that, I want to give you about a bit of an idea what was the previous video about, and I'll give you a small update on that. So why did we choose local software? There are a couple of reasons. So first reason is it's very easy to install a WordPress, so within a simple 3-click installation, so non-technical and technical guys also can do this very easily. And the second one is it gonna host your site on their server and just give you a live link. So with that live link you can share your site with your client or any user, so they can also view the site with that link. So that's the special feature on this local software. So yeah, without any further delay, let's dive into the episode. So in this episode, as I said before, we're gonna look into the how to install the plugins and themes using three methods actually. So first one is using the zip file, which we are going to download it from the WordPress site, and the second one is using the plugin option on the WP admin, and the third one is using the file manager. So let's dive into the session. First of all, let's start the local site, and this one was the previous site which we created before on the previous video. And to run this site, here's an option to start the site, so just click that and that will load your site. And yes, so that's it. So let's see how it looks on the WP admin and the open site now. So this is the WP admin of the WordPress. So I think I just gave admin as the password. Yes, so yeah, it's correct. And so first one, the method was using the zip file, so which we're gonna download it from the WordPress site. So this plugin is called Classic Editor, which is mostly used to create blogs and just to add the content. So this is the basic plugins which need to be on the WordPress site. So let's download this, and yeah, it has download. And as I said before, there's a plugin function here. So there's an add new button, just click that. And here there's an upload plugins, just click that, and here we can just drag and drop it, which gonna work. All right, yes. So after that, just click install now. It's gonna install the plugin for you. So after the installation, so it gonna ask you activate the plugin or what. So just click this activate plugins. So this is gonna activate the plugin. So yeah, so this is the first way of doing this, installing the plugin. So let's deactivate this now and just delete this. So we are gonna see the next option. So here just click the add new option. So here also it will show the plugins. So here you can search for any plugins you wanted. So yeah, so as I said before, we're gonna choose this classic editor for this moment. So just click this install now button, and right away just click activate. So this is bit very easy. So yeah, so let's see the next option, which we're gonna do it from the file manager. So let's deactivate this. All right, so we'll go to the file manager, go to the site folder here. So this will show us the file. So we'll go to the app, publics, and here you will see the content. So install the WP content. So these other files you are not able to edit, so it will make a mess. So go to the WP content and go to the plugins. So here there's already a classic editor, so just let's delete this. So yeah, let's delete this. So if we delete this, and if we go here and just reload it, it's not there. So this way we're gonna take so let's copy the downloaded zip file and paste it over here. So it's gonna paste. So let's extract this or in the same folder as well. So after that, let's delete this file, zip file. So right, so let's reload the WP and view it, so it will be there. So this the third option, so to install the plugin, so we can activate it right away. And next thing is we're gonna install the themes. So if you see, by default there are, I think there are three themes which will be on a default option, so we can choose or delete this right away. So to do that, let's go to the theme folder, and here you can see the three theme files. So if you're gonna delete this, just move it in, you're gonna delete. So just reload this, there's no file. Alright, so after that, let's go to the WordPress theme site, and here you can see lots of themes. So there are tons of themes, so we can choose, we are gonna choose the let's choose this hello element for the moment. So after choosing that, just go here, and here you can see the add new option. Just click here that and upload theme. So just drag and drop here, just install now, and this gonna install and ask for like to activate or what. So let's activate this right away. So here you can see it's activated. Yeah, it's activated. So this the first method, and as I said before, we can choose the theme files. Here you can see add new options, and here also you can view the WordPress themes. So let's just try this install, what will we do. So it's gonna install it, so it's installed, so it will ask for to activate or what. So let's activate this. So here you can see a couple of themes which are installed, and this is now activated. So the third method is, so we're gonna install the zip file, and let's paste it into the file manager folder. So let's download this. Okay, so I have copied the zip file, and let's go to this theme file, and here you can see this both of the themes are located here. So let's paste it over here, and here you can just see the zip file. Let's extract it. So here you can see the file. So let's delete this zip file as well. Alright, so let's reload this. Alright, here you can see this zip file theme. So let's activate this and just. Alright guys, so this is the episode for today. Like we have seen three methods on installing plugins and themes. So on my next video, we're gonna see about how to add a post and how to customize a home page using the theme file. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed my session, and we'll meet you in next video. See you guys, bye.